top of it because...
No. I'm saying your laser is shooting flow line of the encasement.
And the
with
pipe will
4 inches.
4 inches higher than
Okay.
because the boots are 4 inches.
Right.
And then you got the 8, so that gives us 3 to 4 inches to go under that duct bank.
Okay. The weather. The weather's killing us. It's gray weather for like 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden we've got this rainstorm monsoon. We've got a sewer line, we've got a storm drain, we've got a duct bank, we've got what I think used to be a fiber line. So we've got to carry an encasement in case of water line, because be careful standing on that clay too. That clay right there's got a little plastic band on it. So essentially we've got to go underneath it. We've got to go underneath where Rusty's standing right now, which is the duct bank. Can't hardly see it, but that's driving our depth here. We're trying to figure out how we're going to shore it, how we're going to do everything. And we've got to go right through there, making a tap right on the other side of that road right there. Oh, look at that rain. Oh my God. Keep your drainage hose in there, that way we can just pump it out. I doubt we're going to be here tomorrow. I don't know what we're going to do yet. So we'll figure that out here in a minute. Oh,
It went way farther than I expected.
oh my God.
You about got upper decky, bud. Sorry, dude.
No, what I'm saying though, just to get ahead, we can go ahead and cut the whole road. Just don't kill anything. Oh, craziness. Hopefully not. Can you help out? Come on, I'll help you. Straight up. See what it does. It slipped. Sorry. I thought that rope was longer. I ain't got a clue how this sounds. I'm gonna be right up on you because we're using our boom mic, not our fancy mics. So please, no comments. It's been a real long day. And it pissed forward on us. And sometimes it's not all great and fine and dandy, kicking ass and taking names. Today sucked. This sucks. And it's fixing to rain on them in another 30 minutes. It's gonna downpour this entire area. We need to clean up that. They're tapping the water main right now, making sure all that goes good. But tonight was we would have had it if Mother Nature would just work with us for 5-6 hours. We'd have it. But we were dealing with some road drainage coming off down through here. We had to backfill our entire hole with 3/4 clean. Sewer lines down there. We wanted to make sure that was going to be okay, make sure the road was going to be okay if it did really wash that much. It's things that you just don't see going into stuff that you try to see. And sometimes it just don't work out, and tonight just didn't work out. We'll be back. Stay tuned for more. Existing water main, and then plug in 45 to 45. This is teamwork now. We hit 25K. This is great. Y'all are the whole reason guys can handle this 100%. Man, it is a lot of fun when you do it right. Down there, within the box, we do have a little overlip. It's not going to be for long. Carl, Holly Plumbing, these boys, we're fixing to hit 30K likes. Oh my God. That's nuts. Hey, YouTube channel, say hi to the live stream on TikTok. Y'all be missing out. Y'all be missing out. Make sure you be watching on TikTok. Down here in Fayetteville, we have finally got, you guys have watched this job all year long take place. We're back down here, putting this water line crossing in, coming across this major, it's not a major collector, it's just an insanely busy road. Has some schools nestled in all around this little area. Mega traffic in the morning and the evenings. It would put our guys seriously at risk trying to flag this traffic coming down this hill, putting the guys at risk working and actually doing the work and during the install. But by the way, guys, it's been a long week. Monday, Jesus was in a major wreck. We lost one of our fleet trucks. That was insane. Thank God he's doing okay. We got the tap off last night before the 3 inches of rain came in. We're working on a very pitched crowned road, so it's pushing all the drainage directly to the curb line and that gutter line, which brought both sides all the water very quickly straight downhill at us and dumped in our holes last night. We were trying to do everything that we're doing tonight, last night after the tap, but with the rain that came in, you gonna watch that cable, bub? Yeah, he's good. With the rain that came in, absolutely had to make some calls and go backfill everything we just worked on, backfill it, make sure the road stays open, make sure there's an existing sewer line that you guys will see, it's over there. Could have collapsed, can't have that happening right now, not with active residents, obviously. So being very strategic, we've thoroughly planned what we're walking through right now to get where we're at. The guys have done an exceptional job. Wesley's crew's been down here. Jesus' crew's also been down here. They've been working during the day, getting things lined up. Dakota's been working behind the scenes, getting things lined up for these guys, so they could efficiently and effectively put this in, but number one, safely. Got a trench box on site. You guys will see that going in here in just a minute. We've got concrete coming in about 3 hours for a vertical transition that they're working on right now, making sure we've got enough space for our dead man. The box will be going back in. We'll be putting our encasement back down in, making our vertical transition with our 45-degree bends and tying into our valve, kicking it on the other side of the road. We'll come back next Monday, pull the plates again, go ahead and start backfilling the road with full compaction. We'll then come back the next night, pour concrete, 6 inches of concrete is what Dakota told us. And then the next night, we're gonna come back and put 3 inches of asphalt, all hitting all these city regs, engineer regs, roadway regs, and specs. It's been a little bit of a challenge, but so glad we're doing this at night compared to trying to tackle this during the day. It's a death trap trying to do it during the day. These guys have been working great, very steadily. They're getting tired. They need a little pick-me-up. May have to run to the store, get them some Monsters and some Nosses to finish out the rest of the next 3 or 4 hours. But I love this night work stuff. You guys have been seeing it here a bunch lately. Thanks for, watching the old tubes. So right now, I was supposed to be home by 11 o'clock. It's almost 5 a.m. we're fixing to wrap it up. Colton and Wesley are down in the box, wrapping up the vertical right now, getting the all-thread duck lugs on. This team worked really hard today. There's no doubt about it. Fixing to get her plasticed, we're using both machines to hold the pipe together, hold the box over, out far enough because we've got our dead man. It's a very unique utility situation. The guys are in the box. That's the number one thing. And they ain't come out of that box. I'm proud of this team. Every single time we got 2 steps forward on this job. Tonight, it was 6 steps back. Whether it was inspector, engineer, us, just not thinking. I jumped in the box about almost 2 hours ago. Come out. Wesley's alarm's going off. These guys killed it. Absolutely killed it for what they were doing. And proud of them. We got mud sitting here ready to go down. Got 2 trucks coming. We're fixing to start cleaning up this road, getting it brushed off, getting plates back down. We've got an hour and 15 minutes and this road's gonna be back open for operation. So we fixed to make it happen. And I've been up for 24 hours and 15 minutes. It's been a rough week, channel. It's been brittle. Man, lots of good things happening now. Stay tuned.